Hey friends, welcome back. Today we are making crispy, smoky, and salty coconut bacon. This stuff is so good. Start with 2 cups of unsweetened coconut flakes and 2 tablespoons plus 2 teaspoons of pure maple syrup, 4 teaspoons of liquid smoke. This is what's going to give it that awesome straight off the grill smoky flavor. And you can pick this up pretty much in any grocery store in the barbecue and ketchup section. Next, add 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half of a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Next, add the coconut flakes in a single layer onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake for 5 to 7 minutes in a 350-degree oven. Then pull it back out and give it a really good stir. Then put it back in the oven for another 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes a beautiful golden amber color like this. Keep your eye on it because these coconut flakes can burn very quickly. Store it in a mason jar or an airtight container for 3 to 4 weeks. And in my opinion, it gets better with age. And I like to eat it by itself or on top of salads, soups, baked potatoes, and sandwiches. Enjoy this recipe, like and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!